Absolutely. I mean, you're looking at this radar picture now and thinking, hey, this is nothing to worry about, but keep in mind, we've already seen pockets of 2 to 3 inches, not only here in Travis County, but also out towards the hill country. So that is going to be something to watch. Could see some flooding issues pop up, but this is generally just light, steady rain. This is stratiform precipitation, the nice kind of calming, easy to go to sleep rain. We still have a few lightning bolts kind of picking up here and there, but no severe thunderstorm warnings anywhere within our viewing area, which is great news. You'll notice the Austin Metro, Jim, if we wanted to zoom all the way down to the city here, we've got some light to moderate rainfall, but nothing huge. We did have a flash flood warning issued earlier. Some of you who have the KXAN weather web were alerted to that. That has since expired, so we no longer have to worry about that, but I would definitely stay out of the low-lying areas considering it is still raining. But as far as where we're going when it comes to the rainfall totals, Jim's going to pop on a few to show you just how beneficial this has been. We've seen 2 to 3 inches widespread out in the hill country, picking up over 2 inches according to radar south of the city. Look at some of these maps we've got coming up. Blanco County, Gillespie County, widespread 2 to 3, right on the money with our forecast. The nice thing is we dodged a bullet when it comes to the widespread severe weather we were expecting. We just got some good rain. So as always, we'll continue to update you. It looks like the severe weather threat is winding down. We will, of course, leave you with a look at some of those very good rain totals we squeezed out of this squall line. And as always, we are streaming right now on KXAN, both on our website, KXAN.com, and on our Facebook page. That's KXAN News. Jim and I will see you over there.